Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. If you're looking to elevate your home's interior and enhance its energy efficiency, we've got you covered. Literally. Today, we'll explore 3 fantastic ways new window treatments can make your home more comfortable and efficient. Let's dive in. The power of energy-efficient window coverings. Are you thinking about replacing or adding new window treatments to your home? Not only do these stylish treatments give your home an elevated look, but did you know they also play a crucial role in blocking harmful UV rays and insulating your home? How energy-efficient window treatments improve your home. You might already know that replacing your old windows with energy-efficient ones can significantly improve your home's overall efficiency. But did you know that new window coverings can enhance the efficiency of your existing windows as well? Let's explore how these amazing treatments work their magic. Block harmful UV and infrared rays. First up, let's talk about harmful UV and infrared rays. These sneaky rays produce heat and can damage your furniture, carpets, and even your skin and pets. So not cool, right? But fear not. Energy-efficient window coverings can block these rays effectively, ensuring your home remains comfortable and safe from any sun-related harm. Block sunlight and heat from entering your home. Think of window treatments as your home's stylish baseball caps. When you pull down your blinds, you provide shade and protection, just like a cap shields your face from the sun. This not only keeps your home cooler by blocking sunlight, but also reduces the amount of heat entering your home. According to energy.gov, window coverings help regulate temperatures, making them a fantastic tool to lower energy bills and keep your home comfortable. Improve home insulation. Now, imagine window treatments as cozy jackets on a chilly winter day. Just like layers insulate your body, these treatments insulate your home. By blocking harmful rays, sunlight, and heat, window treatments create a comfortable indoor environment and reduce your reliance on heating and cooling systems, leading to lower energy costs. Are you ready to explore the world of energy-efficient window treatments? Well, the first thing you'll want to understand is how much new window treatments could cost you and what factors affect that cost. To help you out, check out the link above to a video that explains how much window treatments cost in the San Antonio area. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.